need to assemble the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's load the boards onto the flat car. That's all. Let's make wooden decking for the platform. Now let's wash the flat car. Ready. We need to assemble the open wagon. That's all. Let's load the beams for the frame into the open. Keep it up. Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. Let's wash the open wagon. We did it! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Done! Let's load the materials for the facade onto the crane with cargo bed. That's all. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop. We need to assemble the crane. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the crane. Pump. Done. Let's complete the construction of the building. We need to wash the crane. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a container car. let's load the facade decorations into the container car. Keep it up. Let's add decorative elements to the facade. We need to wash the container car.